Alright traders, the last video I put out on automated trend lines, I was assuming I would be able to package that indicator up or include it in a template, and that it would easily transfer over when you loaded the template up, since it was an organic NinjaTrader 8 base indicator. But that wasn't the case, and I haven't quite learned how to package those custom indicators that I create inside of NinjaTrader out. So in order between now and when I'm able to do that gap, I'll cover that with this video up here. So purpose of this video is to allow you to create your own automated trendline alert system, and this is what we want to end up with, an indicator that alerts us whenever we break out. This one hasn't broken out yet, but if we turn the indicators on and watch multiple trend lines break, it will show that's what this break is for here. These two are connected, and that break there is what this line is for. So you can see here historically, we can see where the trend line breaks occur. Alright, without having your chart covered with trend lines. So that's what we want to create, something with a historical reference, and then I just want to be able to watch the current trend line that's active in the market. I don't want to watch all of the other trend lines. Okay, so let's get right to it. Let's go ahead and remove this. This is the end state, what we want to end up with. Alright, now let's just show you the so default settings are 5, number of trend lines 1, but if you want to see multiple trend lines, you can just plug in whatever you want to see. These are light in color, but it's going to show you the last 5, so you can see this one, you can see these two trend lines here. So okay, I don't want to see all those on the chart, so I'm going to go ahead and we'll change it back to default, and we're actually just going to click OK. Alright, so now what I want you to do is go into your control panel, hit under the New tab, open up Ninja Script Editor, and open up Indicators. Go down here to find Trend Lines, right here. Click twice, open it up. Now we can't make, since this is organic indicator, we can't really make changes to this indicator here, so we just want to go ahead and start by saving as, and we're going to call this one trend line alert model, something. You can call it whatever you want to. Okay, so oh, okay, then let's just call it TL Auto. TL Auto. Alert. Okay, TL Auto Alerts. That's one we're working on. So now let's just go down. Let me find the first area that we're going to manipulate. Here it is, right? Yep, so this is what's going to cause us to be able to see not only real-time breakouts, alerts with the vertical line, but also the historical. So let's just type that in right there. And we'll exclude that part of the code. Let's go down and find the other. Yeah, there we go. Double space. Now we want to type this in. If parenthesis high trend is active. Yep. Just double click on that. Dot value. Close space. Now we'll draw dot vertical line. Dot vertical line. Yep, that's spelled right. And then parentheses. Start it with this current bar plus yep, that dot VL 0, and this one is our breakout to the upside, so blue. All right, let me, oh, brushes, yeah, it should be brushes. Okay, let's see. Draw that vertical line, this current bar plus, that looks right, 0. I forgot something there. What did I forget? Is it that? Yeah, I think that's it. And I need a comma separating that. Okay, that looks right. Okay. All right, so and else, and let's just copy this. Paste, and let's change this one to red. You change it whatever color you want. I think we're good. Draw a vertical line this line. Yep. Okay, let's give it a quick check, compile. Let's check it here. All right, let's see if it works. Let's go over here, right click on the chart. Let's just reload. Okay, so let's go in here to indicators. Let's go ahead and remove that and see if we can find our TL auto alert. There we go, TL auto alert. We want to add it. You always want to check alert on break. And I'm just going to change that right now. I need to change that into code. All right, there you go. All right, let's make sure our, yep, there's our breaks to the downside. I mean, if you could envision a trend line there, that's where she broke. All right, I think that's it, by George. Okay, quick and easy steps. So you can go back and pause this thing whenever you create the your indicator, but should be just that simple. So hopefully this helps. Sorry I couldn't package this thing up. I'll learn that. That's a task I need to learn how to do later on down the road. So okay, hey, hope this helps. See you guys at the opening bell.